the chaos of World War I, a new weapon brought unimaginable suffering: mustard gas, a horror that changed medical history forever. Soldiers experienced horrific burns and lung damage, feeling the devastating effects of this toxic gas. Mustard gas not only harmed the body but also suppressed critical blood cell production, leaving a lasting impact. But in an unexpected twist, scientists saw potential. Could this weapon become a lifesaver against cancer? Fast-dividing cancer cells mirrored the effects of mustard gas, leading researchers to explore new therapies. The journey from battlefield to bedside began, with mustard gas-derived compounds offering hope. Chemotherapy emerged as a game-changer, designed to attack the rapid division of cancer cells. These cell-toxic drugs don't discriminate. While they target cancer, they can affect healthy cells too. The key lies in timing. Damage the DNA before the cell can repair itself, leading to its demise. Alkylating agents disrupt DNA, causing unhealthy cells to wither away while healthy ones can recover. This battle of survival unfolds at a microscopic level, with potentially life-saving consequences. Other agents, like microtubule stabilizers, stop cell division in its tracks, freezing cancer growth. The result? Cancer cells that can't divide and, ultimately, face extinction. But it's not without its costs. Chemotherapy brings harsh side effects like hair loss and nausea. Yet, advances in treatment have introduced medications that alleviate these effects, improving quality of life. With time, the body begins to heal, making remarkable recoveries possible. Survival rates are soaring: 95% for testicular cancer, 60% for leukemia under 60, showcasing monumental progress. As awareness grows, over 17 million new cancer diagnoses are recorded each year, strikingly affecting lives around the globe. Looking ahead, science envisions precision therapies, targeting cancer directly, minimizing harm to healthy cells. The future is bright, more precise, less harmful, and filled with hope for everyone fighting cancer.